Hey there, NCAPers. In today's episode of NCAP TV, I want to talk to you about carpet spotting using a quality microfiber cloth. This is a new product we just brought in here at Excellent Supply. Stay tuned to find out more. Hey there, NCAPers. Today I want to kind of step it back. A couple of weeks ago we did a video talking about using NCAP spot with a microfiber cloth. And I showed you just a cheap microfiber cloth here with NCAP spot, and certainly you can get the job done with a thin cloth like this. But we got to thinking after that video was produced, what about introducing a good quality cloth? Something more like this. And you can see just what I'm holding in my hand, a cheap, basic microfiber cloth compared to this puppy. Now, in microfiber, it's rated by weight. And 300 GSM is considered a phenomenally good cloth. That's pretty much the top level. This is a 400 GSM cloth. It doesn't get any higher. That's grams per square meter. So this is a 400 GSM cloth. These are the cloths we just brought in here at Excellent Supply. It's an 80-20 split, 80% split fiber polyester, 20% polyamide. Tremendous cloth, very soft. Lint-free, of course, since it's microfiber, and it's going to clean really well. What does 400 GSM mean compared to a standard high-quality 300 GSM cloth? That's a over 30% bump in weight density to this cloth. So we're talking about something that's got some real cleaning capability, absorption capability, and durability when it comes to washing and usage. 400 GSM is the highest standard of a cloth you can get. So that's what we brought in here at Excellent Supply. It's a really awesome cloth. It's great for carpet spotting. So if you're going to spot clean, you're going to use a product like a good spotting product like NCAP Spot. Doesn't need to be rinsed. You can put it on the carpet and then go behind it and blot it with a nice towel like this cloth that we have here. These are packed 400 GSM cloths. So it's a really great cloth. It can be used for any cleaning purpose. You can use it for auto detailing. You can use it for chores around the house. You can use it for office cleaning. You can use it for really anything. But in our application here at Excellent Supply, we're thinking about carpet spotting. And I don't think you can find a better cloth as far as the density. When it comes to density, this cloth is going to do a great job. So what we've done here is we're actually going to be packaging these together in packages of 5, bundles of 5. So 5 cloths for $10, $9.95 for 5 cloths. You can't beat it. So high quality cloth is something that we've brought in here at Excellent Supply. I think it's going to really help. Now you think about microfiber itself. Microfiber cleans more than, say, cotton. And the reason why is because the strands of fiber have more surface area, so it can pull soil more efficiently than cotton or other traditional fibers. So these cloths are going to clean extremely well. 400 GSM, it doesn't get any better than that, and we've got them at a decent price. Pack of 5 for $10. So I'll put a link to those below. It's just one more way we want to help you max your NCAP here at Excellent Supply. Thanks for watching this episode. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share your comments below. We appreciate it when you do that as well. Until next time, thanks for watching.